Hi there, Alpar here. I have two scopes for you to compare side by side today. One is the Vortex Viper rifle scope I just got in the mail today, and I'm gonna compare it to my existing Vortex Diamondback scope, which is mounted on my rifle. Rifle is empty. Remove the bolt. Safety first. I can highly recommend this to anybody handling a rifle. Remove the bolt. Don't play with it. Now, the side-by-side comparison. As far as the facts go, the rifle scope, the Diamondback, is smaller. It's only 12 magnification, while the Viper is a 20x magnification. So it's much bigger, larger. They have different diameters. Maybe we get a closer look to it. It's gonna be more obvious from the top. So you can see, yeah, you can see the Viper is much longer, much thicker too. It has a 30mm tube versus a 1-inch tube. So these rings not gonna work. I will have to install a 1-inch rings on my rifle. The other difference between the two scopes, besides the magnification and the size, is the magnification ring itself. What I found, I guess, weird about it, having them from the same company, is that on the Diamondback, magnification goes from right to left, up all the way up to 12x. On the other hand, you can see here, on the Viper, it goes from the left to right, from 6.5 all the way to 20. So I guess it just doesn't really matter. It's just something you have to get used to it if you are switching between the two scopes, to just get used to it, to rotate it to the other direction. The other difference between them is that the Diamondback has only two turrets, one for windage, one for elevation, while the Viper has an additional one to parallax adjustment. Both of them are actually nice clicking turrets with zero adjustment on it. This is harder, little bit harder to use maybe. The Diamondback is. The clicks are okay on it, but a little bit loud, softer. Cannot really hear them. You can feel them. So when you click it, you can feel it, but you can't really hear it. On the other hand, on this Viper, the clicks are really nice. You can hear it and you can definitely feel it clicking. So even just looking through the scope, if something walks in front of you, you can click, 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 adjust it how many clicks you want, and or in the dark, low light conditions, you can, I think, more easily adjust it. Also, while the Diamondback has a zero reset, you can reset the turret back to zero once you set it, zeroed it down, where you do have to use a coin or the end of the shell casing to do that. On this scope is much easier. On the Viper, you just pull the turret up like so and rotate it and then drop it back to zero. So I think it's much easier to use. It does cost more, obviously, so you get more features. I'm not sure how it shoots yet, the Viper is, but I'm gonna go to the range and find out, and I will let you know. Cheers.